Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and account. Make sure battery is at least 50% and you're on a stable Wi-Fi network. Enable USB debugging and developer options if you plan to use a PC-based recovery tool. This gives the connection the permissions it needs. Sign into the same Google account that holds the backup so the system recognizes your data. Once done, open Settings, Right Arrow System, Right Arrow Backup, and locate the Restore option so you can start transferring the saved data. You now pick the correct source: Google Drive for cloud backups, local backup on an SD card for offline restores, or a PC utility for advanced recovery. Select the specific items to restore: app data, contacts, photos, messages, because restoring everything can be slower. Connect and authenticate as prompted. Allow app permissions when requested. Make sure you monitor the progress indicator and keep the device plugged in and on Wi-Fi so the transfer completes without corruption or timeout. Finish by opening key apps and checking that contacts, messages, photos, and app settings are present. Resync any accounts to pull fresh data. If something is missing, compare backup timestamps and ensure you selected the correct backup version and source. Sometimes local and cloud backups differ. If restore fails or files look corrupted, retry using a PC recovery tool and enable detailed logs, or contact the app or device manufacturer support. One key tip: do not factory reset again until you confirm backups are intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.